Thanks so much, Elke, for opening up our eyes about what regeneration could really be and for challenging us in our thinking. I very much like this different view that happens to you when you dive into that new way of thinking. So thanks so much. And I'm looking into the chat. Eugenio, is there anything in the chat that because we have some minutes for interaction with you, Elke, if there is anything that should be brought up directly, if there is any question or comment.
Indeed. Thank you, Helke. Your presentation already generated some insightful reactions from our participants. At the very beginning, there was a question about a training course of a master degree that you started. It was not connecting to tourism. I think Beatrice asked if you can name the content or the name of the master.
Yes, of course. So this course was given by Leen Gorissen, who, again, from Belgium, but actually she lives in France. But she's a biologist. So I deliberately followed this course because, it's about nature. It's close to nature. And I think biologists have this understanding much better than I have. So I followed the course about... Regenerate Life, it's called, and I can share with you because she's doing that, I think, yearly. It's called Regenerate Life. She also talks about the different paradigms, but she also talks about living systems and how you can apply that within your own organization. But it's across sectors, and I think, again, it's outward looking. It's really helpful for us to look at, okay, what does this mean, for the health industry, which also became an industry, if we look in a regenerative way at health, for instance. But happy to share.
Thank you, Helke. If you can put some references in the chat, it would be easier for everyone to get to the page link or anything you have. And also a general question about the recording and presentations. I don't know if they will be available somehow after the summit. A couple of people asked if it would be possible because they're not able to follow the whole day, the whole session, but are interesting to know what they're missing.
Yes, indeed. It's planned to share the recording of that session. Of course, we can ask Elke as well to share the presentation if you are happy to do that, but the recording will be shared with all participants, definitely.
Okay.
Great, thank you. And if you have any other question for Elke, I think now she is more able to answer you in the chat, and I think we can move forward with the next speaker.
Great. Thanks so much, Eugenio, and thanks so much, Elke, opening up our eyes. And to your question that we are talking about best practices today, it's true. We felt like we wanted to dive into the mindset today, and really, I think all of this best practice that we're sharing today is about the mindset and the incorporation of that feeling. And first, we feel that we need to feel it. Tomorrow, we will have 5 to 6 co-creative labs that we dive into the three thinking and really going into what it means. I also very much share what you said. I'm doing it for 3 years now, and I feel like my whole worldview has changed through going through those regenerative lenses.